We are on Utopia of the Seas. This is 6692 standard ocean view balcony. You tap your card, you come in. It is the standard ocean view balcony. Nice and bright. You have a full-length mirror, a nice big couch, your desk area. The closets, you have one that has hanging space, and the other one has the shelves and the safe and a little bit of hanging space. Drawers, the bathroom, standard bathroom, and the couch. Here's your drawers, mini fridge. You have outlets here. I'll show you what the outlets are. 1, 2, 3. You got 2 European adapters, and you have a USB and another kind of adapter there. You also have a C-type port there and an outlet. Here's your TV with little hooks. This other nightstand has the same thing. And here's your standard balcony. We wanted an ocean view. We got a view of the parking garage. Gonna have to make a complaint about that. So there is your ocean view balcony. Oh, and if you get the key, they deliver this stuff right to your room, by the way. Not outside, but in the room. So that is your standard ocean view balcony. 6692 on Utopia of the Seas.